Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. English Summary, Book 1, Lecture 13, Part B. We did this last time. We start conjugating the fail. We start with huwa. Huma, hum, hiya, huma. These five are Zamaire Sakina. And in this one, the fail is kharaja, kharaja, kharaju, kharaja, kharaja. Alif over here is the file, waw is the file. Over here, this ta is ta tanisi, and the file is mustatir, and its taqdeeru is hiya. Kharajta, ta is the file, kharaja is the fail. So when we come to hunna, hunna puts the sukoon on the lam kalima, and everybody follows. Kharajna, kharajta, kharajtuma, kharajtum, kharajti, kharajtuma, kharajtunna, kharajtu, kharajna. So you see the sukoon on the lam kalima. Jim is the lam kalima. And the remaining, Nun niswa is the file, ta is the file, tuma is the file, tum is the file, ti is the file, tuma is the file, tunna is the file, tu is the file, na is the file. If we understand this, then it will be very easy, frankly speaking. So in the first five, which are Zamair Sakna, the fail is kharaja, except for whom, in which it is kharaju. But when we come to hunna, it says, when I come and whoever follows me, we will get a sukoon on dam kalima, the third radical. So the fail changes to kharaja, fail changes from kharaja to kharaj. This is how we reach to this conclusion. Tabibatu kharajna minal mustashfa. The doctors, they left from the hospital. At-tabibatu is mubtada, kharaj is fail with the sukoon on jim. File is noon on niswa, and minal mustashfa is jar majroor, and kharajna minal mustashfa is jumla failya, which is coming as khabar for at-tabibatu. At-tabibatu kharajna minal mustashfa. The doctors, they left from the hospital. They left. Where is they? Nuno niswa is they. It refers to at-tabibatu, the lady doctors. The normal sequence of a verbal sentence, jumlatul failya. First will be verb, then it is followed by subject, and then it is followed by object. So, fail will come first, then file, and then maf'ulun bi. Maf'ulun bi is a thing on which action has been done. So, I have written this because the sequence will be like this. The fail will come first, and then file will come, and then maf'ulun bi will come. This exercise change the subject in each of the following sentence to plural. As given in the example, Zainabu kharajat minal fasli. Now, kharajat is singular, fine? Zainabu wa Aminatu wa Maryamu kharajna minal fasli. This noon or niswa is the sign of plural, feminine plural. The sentence starts with the ism, Zainabu. So it is mubtada. Zainabu cannot be file because the file has to come after the verb. See the sequence we just discussed? First fail will come, then file will follow. So what came before the fail is not a file. Now I can see kharajat. Is ta file? No. It is ta tanisi, sign of feminine. telling me that the action has been done by a muannas, feminine. And kharaja is the fail. I do not see the file in the sentence. See? You don't see a file in the sentence. Then it has to be mustatir. Taqdiruhu here, because we are talking about the feminine. This here must go somewhere. It should relate to something. And this takes us to Zainabu. So, the khabar, the jumla failure, kharajat min al-fasli is the khabar. So, jumla failure is khabar for Zainabu. In the same way, the plural. Zainabu wa Aminatu wa Maryamu kharajna min al-fasli. Zainabu wa Aminatu wa Maryamu. All are coming before the fail. So, Zainabu is Muqtada, Waw is harfu adf, Aminatu is Ma'tufun ala Zainabu, Waw is harfu adf, Maryamu is Ma'tufun ala Zainabu. The Ma'tuf goes to the first one. Now comes Kharajna. Is there a file? Yes. Noon or Niswa is file. Kharaj, it has a sukoon. Why it has a sukoon? Because the mutaharrik pronoun, the zamir mutaharrik has joined the fail as a file. So if a mutaharrik pronoun or zamir mutaharraka joins a fail as a file, then the lam kalma gets the sukoon. Min al-fasli is jar majroor. Mutaharrik pronoun, zamir mutaharraka means a pronoun, a zamir which comes as a file, as a proper vowel sign. We did this last time. What we are doing is, we are making the plurals. Fine? Al-mudarrisatu zahabat ilal fasli. The teacher went to the school. Al-mudarrisatu zahabna ilal fasli. Alif and Ta is the sign of Jama Muannas Salim. And Noon over here represents Noon or Niswa, which is plural used as a zamir for feminine Muannas. At-talibatul jadidatu jalasat fil fasli. The new student sat in the class. At-talibatu al-jududu jalasna fil fasli. Alif tu is the sign of Jama Muannas Salim. As we discussed before, al-jududu is plural Jama for both masculine and feminine, both Muzakkar and Muannas. Jalasna, Noon is the sign of plural, it is Noono Niswa. Bintu Muhammadin Zahabat ilal Madarsati. The daughter of Muhammad went to the school. Banatu Muhammadin Zahabna ilal Madarsati. The daughters of Muhammad went to the school. Alif Ta is the sign of Jama Muannas Salim. Muhammadin is Wahid. Zahabna. Noon is the file over here and it is a sign of feminine plural. Fill in the blank using suitable demonstrative pronouns. Haza, hazahi, hauzalai. Haza, hazahi, haulai. Haza will be for Muzakkar, haza is for Muannas, and haulai is for both masculine and feminine plural. Haza, akhi. Hazahi, ukhti. Haza, rijalun. Haulai, mudarrisuna. Haulai, talibatu. Hazahi, ummi. Haza, abi. Hazahi, talibatu. Haulai, tabibatun. Haulai, tujjarun. In this exercise, we have to fill the blanks with the personal pronouns. Huwa, hum, हिया हुन्ना. हुआ is for wahid muzakkar, hum is for jama muzakkar, hiya is for wahid muannas, hunna is for jama muannas. Man hadal rajulu huwa mudarrisun. Aina talibatu hunna fil fasli. Man haula'il fityatu hum abna'ul mudarrisi. Aina talibatu jadidatun hiya fil maktabati. Man haulai nasun hum hujjajun minal hindi. Ainat tabibatu hunna fil mustashfa al biladati. Man hadal baladul lazi kharaja min baytika huwa ibnu akhi. Man aina haulai diyufun. Diyufun is weak. Hum minal riyadi. Man aina haulai mumarridatu hunna fil filibini. Man hadhil patatu hiya bintul mudarrasati. We have to make the plurals accordingly. Ukhtun, ikhawatun, bintu, banatun, muslimatun, muslimatun, tabibatun, tabibatun, tabibun, ittiba'u, zawjatun, zawjatun, patatun, patayatun, kabiratun, kibbarun, tawilatun, tiwalun, jadidatun, jadudu, akhun, ikhwatun, ikhwanun, kabirun, kabbarun, jadidun, jadudu. This is isma ishara al-qarib. Haza talibun muzakkar wahid. Hadi talibatun muannas wahid. Haulai tullabun jama muzakkar. Haulai talibatun jama muannas. Haulai is used as a plural for both muannas and muzakkar. These are the new words which we have learned in this lesson. Az-zawju, jama is azwajun. Al-biratu, jama is nisaun. This is what it is saying. Al-miratu badun. Without alif lam, it will be imra'atun. Imra'atun, a lady woman. When you make it definite, hamza is dropped and it becomes al-mar'atu. Haulai, that, the plural, near demonstrative pronoun. Ismu ishara, jama lil qarib. Ulaika, those, the plural, distant demonstrative pronoun. Ismu ishara, jama lil ba'id. These are the sentences which we are going to analyze, read and write. And you will also write with me, inshallah. Haulai ikhwati wa ulaika isdiqai. Ikhwati, mudaf, mudaf alayh, 2 words. Isdiqai, 2 words. Mudaf, mudaf alayh. Haulai is mubtada. Ikhwatu is khabar, wa huwa mudaf. It became ikhwati because of ya mutakallim. Ya mutakallim is mudaf alayhi. Waw is harfu atf. Ulaika is mubtada. Isdiqa'u is khabar wa huwa mudaf. It became isdiqa'i because of ya mutakallim. And ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayh. Man ulaika rijalu tiwalu. Who are those tall men? We normally don't analyze the sentence, but we will just talk about a bit of it. Ulaika is ismu ishara, and whenever there is a definite noun, ism marfa comes after the ismu ishara, it is badal, and tiwalu is naat. Hum itibba'u min America, they are doctors from America. Hum is mubtada, ittiba'u is khabar, min America is jar majroor. Man ulaikan nisa'u, who are those ladies? Hunna ummahatu talibati. Hunna jama muannas zamir, ummahatu jama muannas salim, and talibatu is also jama muannas salim. Hunna is mubtada, ummahatu is khabar, wa huwa mudaf, talibati is mudaf ilayh. Aba'u tullabi indal mudiri. Parents of students are with the principal. Aba'u is mubtada, wa huwa mudaf. At-tullabi is mudaf ilayh. Inda is zarf, shumu jumla, khabar. Whenever zarf will come as khabar, we will say zarf, shumu jumla, khabar. And al-mudiri is mudaf ilayh. Aulaikan nisa'u khalatuka ya Maryam. We have to be a bit careful, because whenever there is a question, there is no gap between the harfo Stafam and the ismu ishara or whatever ism is coming. So we have to be a bit careful. Are those women your maternal aunts, O Maryam? La hunna ammati. No, they are my parental aunts. La is harf jawab, hunna is mubtada, ummaat tu is khabar, Wawa mudaf, it became mati because of ya mutakallim, and ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayh. Haulai ittiba'u aulaika muhandisun. These are doctors and those are engineers. So we have to be, what we are learning is, haulai is plural, near demonstrative pronoun. It indicates something which is near, but it is plural. Haulai is common for both Muzakkar and Muannas. Ulaika is also common for both Muzakkar and Muannas, and it is distant demonstrative pronoun to indicate something which is far and is plural as well. Haulai mubtada, ittiba'u khabar, waw harfat, ulaika mubtada, and muhandisun khabar. And muhandisun is jama muzakkar salim. When waw noon is added to the ism, it is jama muzakkar salim. Haulai rijalu fuqarau aulaika aghniyau. These men are poor and those are rich. Haulai is mubtada, and it is also ismu ishara. And when a definite noun, ism marfa, comes after the ismu ishara, it is badal. Fuqarau is khabar, one word. Waw harfu at, ulaika mubtada, and aghniyau khabar. Ulaika tullabu da'afun. Da'afun is the jama of dayufun, which is weak, and it is the plural. Those students are weak. Ulaika is ismu ishara, tullabu is badal, it is a definite noun, ism marfa, coming after ismu ishara, and da'afun is khabar. Man ulaika rijalu, who are those men? Hum muzara'u, they are minister. Hum is mubtada, and muzara'u is khabar. In this exercise, we have to change from the singular to the plural, like as it is in the misal. Zalika rajalu mudarrisun. Zalika is used for singular, rajul is singular, and mudarrisun is also singular. Ulaika rijalu mudarrisuna. Ulaika is plural, ismu ishara. Rijalu is plural, and mudarrisuna is jama muzakkar salim. So as the example, we are going to do all these sentences, inshallah. We analyze also, and we read also, and we write also. First, I would like that we revise a little bit. The demonstrative pronouns. Ismu ishara lil qarib, near demonstrative pronoun. The singular for masculine is haza, and for feminine it is hazahi. Plural for both masculine and feminine, muannas and muzakkar, it is haulai. The distant demonstrative pronouns, ismu ishara lil ba'id. For masculine singular, it is zalika. For feminine singular, it is tilka. And it is ulaika for both masculine and feminine plural. This was the example we discussed above. Zalikar rujulu mudarrisun. This man is teacher. They are all wahid. Zalika is ismu ishara, it's muqtada. Rajulu is badal, and mudarrisun is khabar. Now the plural, ulaikar rajalu mudarrisuna. The men are teachers. Ulaika ismu ishara, the distant demonstrative pronoun, it's muqtada. Ar-rijalu, the definite noun, is marfa, coming after ismu ishara, it's badal. And mudarrisuna is khabar, it is jama muzakkar salim. Now, we have to basically analyze also, but these two are the questions, so we will not analyze. Man zalikal fata. Who is that young fellow? Zalika is for singular, that. Fata is young fellow, singular. Ulaika, man ulaikal fatiyatu. Ulaika is plural, distant, demonstrative pronoun. Ismu ishara lil ba'id, jama. Al-fatiyatu is jama for fata. Min aina zalikal mudarrisu. From where is that teacher? Again, mudarrisu is wahid. Zalika is used for wahid. Min aina ulaikal mudarrisuna. Ulaika is plural and mudarrisuna is jama muzakkar salim. Tilkal patatu bintut tabibi. That young girl is daughter of the doctor. Tilka is ismu ishara and it is mubtada. Al-fatatu, the definite noun coming after ismu ishara, is badal. Bintu is khabar wa huwa mudaf, and it is marfu. And at-tabibi is mudaf lay, and mudaf lay is always majroor. Ulaikal fatayatu banatu tabibi. See, everything is plural except for tabibi. Alif ta, when it is added to the singular, it becomes jama muannas salim. Those young girls are daughters of the doctor. Ulaika is ismu ishara and it is muqtada. Al-fatayatu is badal. Banatu is one word, khabar, marfu. At-tabibi is mudaf ilayh. Hadat talibu min Inglaterra wa zalika min Fransa. This student is from England and that one is from France. Hada muqtada ismu ishara. At-talibu badal. Min Inglaterra is jar majroor, shubhu jumla, khabar. Wow is at-tawab, zalika is ismu ishara. Min Fransa, is jar majroor, shubh jumla, khabar. Now the plural. Haulai tullabu min Inkaltara wa ulaika min Fransa. Haulai, it is plural for the near demonstrative pronoun. You are addressing somebody or pointing out to somebody who is near, but they are plural. Tulab is plural, students, and it is broken plural. Meaning Teltara is jar majroor, shubh jumla, khabar. Ulaika is ismu ishara, it is mubtada, it is plural, it is distant demonstrative pronoun. Min Fransa is jar majroor, shubh jumla, khabar. Azalikal muhandisu muslimun, is that engineer Muslim? So all these three are wahid. Awlaikal muhandisuna muslimuna, are those engineers Muslim? Muhandisuna jama muzakkar salim, muslimuna jama muzakkar salim, ulaika plural distant demonstrative pronoun. Ismu ishara jama lil baid. Hadhil maratu mumarridatun wa tilka tabibatun. This woman is nurse, that one is doctor. So you see the difference? Now it's hadhihi, because now it is singular. Al maratu is singular. Mumarridatun is singular. Tilka is singular. It is tilka is used for muannas, hadhihi is for near, and tilka is for distant, far, and it is both are ismu ishara, and when the definite noun comes after ismu ishara, it is badal. Hadhihi is mubtada, it is ismu ishara, al maratu is badal, mumarridatun single word, marfu, khabar. Waw warfuat, tilka ismu ishara, mubtada, tabibatun, khabar, mufrid, one word, marfu. Now the plural. Haulayin nisa'u mumarridatun wa ulaika tabibatun. Important thing to note is for maratu, the woman, the plural is nisa'u, women. Haulai is mubtada, ismu ishara, nisa'u is badal, mumarridatun is jama muannas salim, and it is khabar. Ulaika, waw is harfuat, ulaika is ishara for jama, and tabibatun is jama muannas salim, and it is khabar. Man hadhal waladut tawilu, who is this tall boy? Man haulai auladut tiwalu, who are these tall boys? We don't analyze because it is question. But for waladu, the plural is aulad. For tawinu, the plural is tiwalu. Haza and haulai. Haza is for singular, near demonstrative pronoun, and haulai is plural, near demonstrative pronoun, ismu ishara, lil qareeb, jama. Tilkal fatatu saghiratu ukhtu Hamidin. That little young girl is daughter of Hamid. Tilka is ismu ishara, mubtada. Al fatatu is a definite noun. Ismu marfa coming after ismu ishara is badal. Saghiratu is naat. And ukhtu is khabar. Wahuwa mudaf. Hamidin is mudaf ilayh. Ulaikal fatayatu sigaru akhwatu Hamidin. Actually what we are learning is, now you can see fatatu, the jama muannas salim is, you add alif ta, al fatayatu, al saghiratu, as sigaru. This is broken plural, so you have to be careful. But for the jama muannas salim, the plurals which are salim sound, is easy because you have just add alif ta to the wahid. Akhaba tu. Those little young girls are daughters of Hamid. Ulaika is ismu ishara, muqtada. Al-fatatu is badal. As-sigharu is naad. Akhwatu is khabar. Wa huwa mudaf. Hamidin is mudaf ilayh. Tilkal mara'atu ummut talibati. That woman is mother of female student, one student. Tilka is mubtada, ismu ishara, al-maratu is badal, it is definite noun, is marfa coming after ismu ishara. Ummu is khabar, wa huwa mudaf, at-talibati is mudaf ilayh. Now the plural, ulaikal nisa'u ummahatu talibati. We just discussed that for Maratu, the Jama Muannas is Al-Nisa'u. Ummahatu is the plural for Ummu. Alif Ta is added. Jama Muannas Salim. Same. Talibati. Alif Ta is added to the singular. It becomes Jama Muannas Salim. Those women are mothers of female students. Ulaika is ismu ishara, mubtada. Al-Nisa'u is badal. Definite noun after ismu ishara. Ummahatu is khabar wa huwa mudaf. Talibati is mudaf ilayh. Zalikar rajulu tajirun kabirun min al-mamlikatil arabiyatil Saudiya. That man is a big merchant from the kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Zalika is ismu ishara, mubtada. Al-Rajulu is badal, Tajirun is khabar, one word, marfu, Kabirun is naat. Minal Mamlikati is jar majroor, khabar has already come, Tajirun, so we will not say it is khabar. Al-Arbiyatu and Al-Saudiyatu is naat. Ulaika rijalu tujarun kibarun minal mamlikatil arbiyatil saudiyati. You see? Rajulu, rijalu. Tajiru, tujaru. Kabirun, kabbarun. But this is one is, both are broken plurals. Those men are big merchants from the kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Ulaika is mubtada, ismu ishara. Al-rijalu is definite noun, ismu arfa, after ismu ishara, badal. Tujarun is khabar, kibbarun is naat. Minal Mamlikati is jar majroor, khabar has already come, so we will not say that it is khabar. Al-Arbiyati, Al-Saudiyati are not. In this exercise, we have to fill the blanks with ulaika, tilka and zalika. Ulaika is plural for both masculine and feminine, muzakkar and muannas. Tilka is for wahid, muannas, and zalika is for wahid, muzakkar. Zalika talibun. Ulaika tujarun. Ulaika mudarrisatun. Tilka tabibatun jadidatun. Ulaika ummahatut talibatu. Ulaika aba'ut tullabi. Zalika fallahun. Tilka ummu Muhammadin. Zalika siddiqi. Ulaika ikhwati. Ulaika ikhawati. Write the plurals of the following nouns. Ummun, ummuhatun. Abun, abaun. Imra'atun, nisa'un. Ammatun, ammatun. Dayfun, diyafun. Wazirun, wazara'u. Ismun, asma'un. These are the broken plurals which have no tanween, and we should basically write and also try to memorize. Azdiqa'u, Aghniya'u, Aqwiya'u, Attiba'u, Fuqara'u, Zumbala'u, Wuzara'u, Ulama'u. Hallo Tamari. All those exercises which we have done above verbally and we have not written are over here. What you have to do is you have to read, write, and then compare your answer with this, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we finished our summary today. Inshallah, you will be able to understand. It's a little bit difficult. Plurals we have just started, but you will get familiar to it, inshallah. Read, write, and try to understand, inshallah.